Today, now I'm going to invite our Uncle Phil Toastmasters outgoing president, competent communicator, competent leader, Valiapan Salvamani, to give his outgoing president final opening address. So without further ado, let's give him a warm welcome of applause. Okay, this is our clap hand in Toastmaster Online, so it will not be distortion. Okay, over to you, Valiapan.
A warm and pleasant afternoon, Toastmaster of the Day, Rasman, and welcoming our incoming Division A Director, incoming Area Director, our past and present members of lovely Anchorvale Toastmasters Club, and all the veteran Toastmasters. So we are very, very happy to receive all of you here, and it's all lot of people who are so experienced, so senior people, and we are very, very humble to have you here for this occasion. Thank you so much for all of you for gracing us on our 10th anniversary meeting. Let us all give everybody a big round of applause for being here in their busy schedule. Thank you so much for coming. Today, I am jubilant because we have successfully completed this term, and we also have the honor of celebrating this 10th anniversary during our term. Our club has achieved President's Distinguished Club Award in this term. This was not possible without the hard work put by every single member and our EXCO. This truly remarkable achievement is just possible because of all of our members and EXCO. And I would really congratulate each one of you for achieving this great feat. Well done, team. I also want to take this opportunity to convey my sincere thanks to my EXCO for helping me to complete my term. Without the EXCO's support, this term would not be so easy for us to get completed. And I don't have words to express my gratitude to thank each and every one of you for spending your time and effort to complete this term and for all the hard work you have done for the past 1 year. So it's a big thank you for all the team. Thank you so much once again. With all those difficult situations in place, COVID-19 happening, we didn't give up. We were really like one of the first few clubs to quickly jump into online Toastmasters meeting into Zoom to enable our member continue their learning journey and also keep them safe at their home. At the beginning of our term, we planned to have a great celebration for 10th anniversary. So we intended to invite all the people and have a grand celebration. But unfortunately, because of this COVID-19, we couldn't meet in person and have fun. But it didn't deter us from celebrating this anniversary virtually. And that's why we are here right now in Zoom. I also would like to take the opportunity to thank our club mentor, Jenny, who started this club 10 years ago and providing guidance and support through this 10 years. So whenever we need her assistance, whenever we need support, she's always there for the club. Thank you, Jenny, for being with us all the way. Our club also had great people to lead in the past. And I will be sharing a presentation about all the EXCO members who had contributed for the club for the past 10 years, so the new members can know the journey we had gone through. So that will be part of the presentation later. And we also have some wishes from the past presidents for our 10th anniversary. We have everything in this club. Expert speakers, fun events, team building events, and yummy food, always prepared by our club members like Jenny, Claire, Sarah, and many others, Bharati, not to miss anybody. There's so many people who are with special love and affection, they bring the food. So on Saturdays, I really don't feel that I'm attending a Toastmaster chapter meeting. Like as we always keep saying that, I feel that I'm spending time with my extended family. I'm very blessed to be with this wonderful Anchorvale club for the past 8 years plus. And I really thank Anchorvale club for accepting me and allowing me to lead this club in this term for the past 1 year. I've also done a video montage to capture the journey which we have gone through in this 10 years. And it's a nice memory to see through how we have reached this stage. And I also want all the guests and members to pay attention to the slides, whatever we're showing and whatever we're mentioning, because later our Kahoot game is going to test how much you know about your Anchorvale Toastmaster Club and Toastmaster International. So please be attentive. So there are questions coming in Kahoot, which is purely based on Anchorvale Toastmasters Club and Toastmaster International. So be ready for the challenge. And finally, I would like to remind you all that Rome was not built in a day. We are all reaping the benefits which Jenny sowed 10 years ago. If we want the club to grow further for many years, we need to sow the seeds for the next generation, for them to reap the benefits. I would say that it's every individual responsibility to grow themselves and also, in return, contribute back to the club. At this 10th anniversary meeting, I would insist that all of us make a promise that we work as a team and contribute to our club's growth and ensure that Anchorvale CC Toastmaster Club continue its legacy for the years to come. I strongly believe in the acronym TEAM, TEAM. Together, everyone achieves more. With this, I wish the incoming President Rasman Hadijando and his EXCO members a great success and assure them that we will give them a strong support in the upcoming EXCO term. And thank you. Back to you, Toastmaster of the Day, Toastman.
Thank you very much, Valiappan, for the opening address, and thank you for the great leadership during your terms in 2019 to 2020.